Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix the white screen error in WordPress, so let's get right into it. For this tutorial, I'll be using this article because I cannot reproduce the problem on my own WordPress account, so I'll be using this to give you guys some pointers. Now, the WordPress white screen of death error is pretty much a fatal error which has happened on your site, usually and most likely due to faulty plugins or faulty themes, and it'll just display as a white page without anything there. Now, you might actually see something if you're on WordPress 5.2 and up. You will have the error protection feature, or the fatal error protection feature, which brings up the site is experiencing technical difficulties pop up instead of your standard white screen, and then you can see that and then go ahead and fix everything. Now, before you do even that, I would recommend you check out your other sites if you do have other sites on your hosting account, and if they are fine, then it is the problem with the site. If none of them work, then it is due to WordPress, and you're going to need to ask their customer support for help. But yeah, if you get this message, you can check your email address where you'll find a specific reason why your site crashed, as well as a recovery mode link to enter your site or your dashboard in recovery mode to see if plugins failed to load properly, and if they did, disable them, or any theme errors you might have. Other than that, you can increase the memory limit by going into your code on WordPress and actually editing the wp-config PHP file to increase the memory limit, or you can use code snippets such as with WP code. Alternatively, you can fix the white screen error by disabling all plugins. You can go to the installed plugins section. If you have access to your dashboard, click on bulk action, select deactivate, click apply, or you can go using an FTP client and go into your WP content folder, locating the plugins file, renaming it to plugins deactivated or whatever else. If it can't find the plugins file, which it shouldn't if it is not named just plugins, then it will not load anything. And if that doesn't fix it, you can also activate the default theme. Make sure you back up your theme you're currently using, and if you're using a default theme, which you should have, such as 2020, 2021, 2023, 4, 5, then that standard theme will be in use and everything should be fine. But of course, you do need to download your current theme file and delete it, and it should go over to the other themes. Now, alternatively, you can enter debug mode in the WordPress config. Just enter these lines of code in the PHP file, and you will be getting errors with specifically what is happening. And you will also get a debug log in the WordPress content folder as well. Now, other than that, you can clear the WordPress cache if you're using a caching app, or if you have a white screen error on longer articles, just add this, these two lines of code in your WordPress config PHP file, and you should be set and good to go. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.